Vice President Constantino Chiwenga has succeeded in outmaneuvering his boss, President Emerson Mnangagwa, who since 2018 has been trying to sideline him. Sana bda mashoko anabda nyogwa panapa nakomana mzimu aya vachiti aiwa vipi Chiwenga vokwanisa ku outmaneuver mutungamiri wenyika Emerson Mnangagwa ndipo subscribe like watona the bell utipina panapa mamwe kwa mchinzi. In 2017 Chiwenga led a coup that removed President Arachi Mugabe from presidency. Despite numerous attempts and near misses, Mnangagwa conceded to military pressure last week, announcing he would not extend his rule beyond 2028. This abrupt retreat signals a definitive win for Chiwenga and his military allies, who have been resisted Mnangagwa's ambitions to stay in power under his much-touted 2030 vision. Since their orchestrated 2017 coup ousted former President Arachi Mugabe, Mnangagwa and Chiwenga's alliance has been fractured by rivalry. Initially, Mnangagwa was expected to govern for one term before handing the reins to Chiwenga, which was in line with what former Foreign Affairs Minister Sibusiso Moyo described as their gentleman's agreement. His controversial 2023 victory, achieved through a CIO-driven electoral operation, demonstrated the lengths he was willing to go to retain control. Thomas Wanubdanyo Kopana Vachona Awa, Okumana Chit Awa, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, Vazokwanisa, Kutuwakansuko Atena, Awa Javaida, Atazakuta Kuva 2017, Awa Vangu sideline yo, Wachongo Kuti, Awa, Mkana, Utotungamiri Nyika, Wakanga Osibo, Atonot Ijipoka Conference, Takuanda Kuti, Vice President Vava Mkana, Varukona Kuti, Pani Pawanika Green Light. Tudze mafungo emo tudi pamusoro pechitwa chikuna comment section medu, subscribe or like, and turn on the bell icon.